When most people think about Haas automation, they picture a big factory full of machine tools or someone working in a machine shop. But that's just one facet of the careers available at Haas Automation. The truth is, it takes a team of professionals, network engineers, sales and product specialists, accounting and purchasing experts, programmers, marketing personnel, IT hardware experts, and many other professionals to help get the job done. And the thing that makes us different from other companies is that there's tons of crossover between these jobs. So instead of being boxed in, where the boss keeps you in your swim lane, at this job, you're not only free to try lots of different things, you're encouraged. And on the IT side of things, you aren't just answering phones and replying to service tickets all day. It's likely you'll be working with our enterprise-level networking hardware, supporting thousands of clients across our organization with an industry-leading level of service. And it's all located in-house. And keeping all this gear up and running requires boots-on-the-ground IT experts who aren't afraid to get their hands on the hardware. And best of all, you'll be working in a fast-paced, high-tech industry, using the very same cutting-edge applications as the largest Fortune 500 companies. So, if you're the type of person who isn't afraid of hard work and is ready to tackle a challenge head-on, then consider Haas Automation as the landing spot for your next career. Visit haasjobs.com to apply.